English is not a difficult language. It's just that we need to practice it and make our concepts vivid in order to be confident. So I'm Mrs. Ritika Mehta is here with an informative video on confusing words today. We are going to discuss about these words in detail, which are often interchangeably used and become a source of our confusion. So without any further ado, let's get started. Coming to the first one, it's with and without an apostrophe. What's the difference? It's with an apostrophe is a short form of it is or it has. For instance, it's my bag or it is my bag. It's a piece of cake or it is a piece of cake. It's been raining since morning or it has been raining since morning. Whereas when we talk about the later one, that is it's without an apostrophe, it's a possessive pronoun that means belonging to something. For instance, India is famous for its rich heritage. Japan is eminent for its latest technology. How about this one? Who's with an apostrophe and without an apostrophe? When we talk about who's with an apostrophe, it's a contraction for who is or who has. For instance, who's knocking at the door? Or who is knocking at the door? Who's been invited as a guest today? Or who has been invited as a guest today? Whereas when we talk about who's without an apostrophe, it's a possessive form of the pronoun. Who and which. For instance, whose shirt is lying on the table? Whose bag is this? Coming to the most confusing one, beside and besides. When we talk about beside, that is without S, it tells the location of something, meaning near or next to. For instance, I sat beside him, which means I sat next to him. Or you can say, they were walking beside me, which means they were walking next to me. Talking about besides with S, on the other hand, means in addition to, moreover, or as well as, depending upon the context. For instance, besides being a mentor, I am a counselor. These sandwiches are scrummy besides being healthy. Coming to the last one, your with an apostrophe and without an apostrophe. Your with an apostrophe is an abbreviation of you are. For instance, you are naughty or you are naughty. You are a noble lad or you are a noble lad. Coming to your without an apostrophe is a possessive adjective showing ownership that is used to describe something as belonging to you. For instance, this is your shirt, which means the shirt belongs to you. Your pen is lying on the table, which means the pen belonging to you is lying on the table. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching for such informative videos. See you in the next one now. Bye-bye. Good day.